So, first thing we had to do is cut a bunch of tree limbs, which you missed out on, to get to this roof that we're going to replace. See you in a bit. Well, tins off, shingles off, roll roofing's most of the way off, and felt paper, plywood's got to come off. Alright, so to help you understand what we did to fix this roof is we raised the roof from down here to all the way up here. So we raised it up 3.5 inches, 3 3/4 on this side, and basically fit in right beside that. So you see how that gets that elevation? So we're changing so it's not as flat. We're going to run the water off a little bit better. And we're using scrap materials, and that's perfectly fine with me, because what I do is what the customer wants me to do, and it's my job to make their life better with whatever rules they say. If I don't like it, then I don't have to do it, but I generally do what the customer says. So here we are putting the plywood on, and then felt paper. And we're going to put the metal back on, the same metal, and we're going to use 1/4 inch screws with the gaskets on them to fill those holes, because there was a lot of holes in that metal. So first we had a low profile roof with plywood on it. And then we had roll roofing on that. Then we had shingles, and then we had tin. We took all that off, changed the pitch to a higher pitch, put in new boards, new plywood, and then we're going to put new felt paper and then the old tin. And we'll show you along the way. Alright, felt paper's on. Getting ready to put the metal on. We got different size nails and different size screws to take out in order to put back in the same holes. And we brought screws for a metal roofing job to go in here. Here we go. Well, this is definitely used material. We had the cracks in the top, so we put metal over that ridge. And there we go. Might go for another 10 years. See ya.